Hello and welcome to our video on stock market basics. I'm your host, Amil, and I'll be guiding you through the world of stock markets. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this video is for you. What is the stock market? So, what is the stock market? Simply put, the stock market is a platform where companies raise capital by issuing shares of stock to the public, and where investors can buy and sell those shares. Imagine you own a lemonade stand, and you want to expand your business. You can issue shares of your lemonade stand to investors, who will give you money in exchange for a portion of your business. Now, imagine a platform where thousands of lemonade stands or companies can issue shares and connect with investors. That's the stock market. Types of stocks. There are two main types of stocks: common stocks and preferred stocks. Common stocks represent ownership in a company and give shareholders voting rights. Shareholders can attend annual meetings and vote on important company decisions. Preferred stocks, on the other hand, have a higher claim on assets and earnings than common stocks. They usually don't come with voting rights, but they do offer a higher dividend yield. Stock market index. A stock market index is a statistical measure that represents the performance of a particular segment of the stock market. Think of it like a report card for the stock market. Some popular stock market indices include S&P 500 USA, Nifty 50 India, FTSE 100 UK. These indices help investors track the performance of the overall market and make informed investment decisions. Bulls and bears. You've probably heard the terms bull market and bear market, but what do they mean? A bull market is when the stock market is rising and investor sentiment is positive. It's like a big party and everyone's invited. A bear market, on the other hand, is when the stock market is falling and investor sentiment is negative. It's like a big storm and everyone's running for cover. Stock market orders. When you want to buy or sell a stock, you need to place an order. There are several types of orders, including market order, buy or sell a stock at the current market price. Limit order, buy or sell a stock at a specific price. Stop loss order, sell a stock when it falls to a certain price. Understanding these orders is crucial for navigating the stock market. Risk management. Investing in the stock market involves risk. There's always a chance that you might lose some or all of your investment. To manage risk, you can diversify your portfolio by investing in different asset classes and sectors. Set stop-loss orders to limit your losses. Invest for the long term, rather than trying to time the market. Stock market tips for beginners. If you're new to the stock market, here are some tips to get you started. Start with a solid understanding of the basics. Invest in a diversified portfolio. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Don't try to time the market. Educate yourself and stay informed. Conclusion. That's it for our video on stock market basics. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. Remember, investing in the stock market involves risk, but with the right knowledge and strategy, you can navigate the markets with confidence. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.